Richland has an exciting future with incredible opportunities and significant milestones anticipated in 2017 and the coming years. We continue to grow, not only in population, but in diversity of businesses, culture, and needs. We have stability, we have sustained economic growth, sound public safety, and most importantly, a united commitment to maintain and successfully accomplish our goals. Hello, I'm Cindy Reents, Richland City Manager, and I'm honored to present to you our 2017 City Budget Overview. With the Strategic Leadership Plan as our foundation, along with results from the Citizens Survey and Council guidance, we responded with a balanced budget. We continue to invest in our infrastructure, giving citizens greater access to information through technology, revitalizing our downtown, and reiterating our commitment to public safety. City Council and staff work closely together to develop a capital improvement plan. The plan is a tool for identifying and prioritizing capital projects and major capital purchases for budget consideration. 57 projects totaling more than $61 million across all funding sources are identified in this year's budget. These priority projects are recommended based on a number of criteria and are found throughout the city. As in previous years, our priorities must fall within one of City Council's Strategic Leadership Plan keys. These 7 keys guide the city on its path toward a vibrant and economically stable Richland of 2030. In 2016, we successfully launched a new city website. This platform is easier to share information, allows for better search capabilities, and mobile interfacing in a timely and effective manner. We recognize the growing trends in utilizing social media and will invest in using these tools to share city information with citizens. Beginning in 2017, the city will begin replacement of the core financial system, with the entire project completed over 3 years. Replacing current applications that encompass the city's financial system will reduce manual input and allow staff to focus on more important processes, improve integration between systems, improve reporting, and provide self-service portals. This will also provide the city the ability to meet changing regulations and security requirements. This project will work in tandem with the Energy Services Department in their endeavor to prepare the city's utility for smart grid capability. Maintaining city assets and infrastructure is a cornerstone value for Richland and a tenet of traditional city administration. The 2017 budget includes several investments in maintenance and infrastructure, including ongoing and additional funding for parks and facilities to avoid costly future deferred maintenance. Maintaining current infrastructure is a top priority, and pavement management continues to be a top focus to our citizens. To further our pavement preservation program, significant funding will be required over several years, and Council's Capital Improvement Plan Subcommittee worked on a long-term funding strategy. The recommended budget includes $1.2 million for this program. The 2017 budget represents a turning point and large step forward in the delivery of the Dupertel Bridge. We anticipate receiving the $20 million secured by the Washington State Legislature in the second half of 2017. The 2017 budget and capital improvement plan include a strategy to prepare to construct the bridge, with completion in 2020. Remaining funding for this effort have been identified, and the path to success is presented in this budget. Additional planned improvements to Queensgate Drive will provide needed connectivity to downtown, decrease traffic congestion, and allow better public safety access. We're constantly looking for ways to be economically competitive to private enterprise in Richland. That strategy is working as we see continued development in all corners of our city. Several large construction projects will materialize in 2017. These projects include major expansions for Preferred Freezer as well as for Lamb Weston to our north. South Richland will see several new retail businesses in Vintner Square and completion of the new Hilton Brand Hotel. On the waterfront, we will see a new boutique hotel at Columbia Point, and plans are moving forward for development at 650 George Washington Way. The capital improvement plan includes replacement of City Hall, thereby paving the way for economic development at its existing location. Property for the future City Hall has been purchased, a design-build contractor has been secured, and planning is underway. The project is anticipated to be completed in the fall of 2019. And we continue to see progress on implementation of the Swift Corridor Master Plan, with completion of Cadillac's 10-story tower and 4-story parking garage structure as well as Columbia Basin's Health Science Building Number 2. In the spring of 2017, we will complete the master plan for the 1,300 acres of land acquired this year from the Department of Energy. In partnership with the Port of Benton, we will work to implement the plan and continue to invest staff resources on marketing city-owned properties. The citizens of Richland are passionate about the resources that we provide. In 2017, some park enhancements include the new lacrosse fields at Columbia Point Marina Park, improvements to the outdoor volleyball pits at Leslie Groves, widening of the riverfront trail to accommodate all users, additional lighting and bleachers at Columbia Playfield, and expansion of the dog park at Badger Mountain Community Park. Also, we will partner with the cities of Kennewick and Pasco on replacing the animal control facility located in Pasco. The desire of our citizens to constantly contribute to the quality of life in Richland is very inspiring. We are committed to making our community a safe place for all. In 2017, we'll be prioritizing safety enhancements in our parks. This includes new trail lighting in Howard Amon Park, funded in part with criminal justice sales tax revenue. Additionally, our police and fire departments are diligent about maintaining their tools and emergency response equipment. This year, the budget includes funds to replace aging equipment and fleet, including a new state-of-the-art ambulance and fire truck. This also includes upgrading the end-of-service life of our mobile data computers, which are primarily used in all emergency vehicles and fire vehicles to assist with mapping, recording incidents, and communicating with dispatch. While the city is diligent in planning for all budget considerations, some vulnerabilities may affect needed funding sources. City Council and staff are highly aware of these issues that may be beyond the city's control and keep them in mind when making all budget decisions. The city contracts with Benton County for jail services, and potential assessment increases continue to be of concern. In 2017, we hope to see if there is any cost relief passed to the cities or through other cost-sharing means. Funding continues to be a challenge with the increased medical costs for medical clearances prior to jail intake. We will continue to look for a better balance with our partners to address this funding and service requirements to help alleviate these challenges. Unreasonable public records requests continue to be a financial strain and time-consuming effort for staff. Last year, we made an investment in new software to assist in streamlining these requests. Without additional federal or state regulations, this will remain a costly effort. The city continues to work through potential legal obstacles which deter progress on some of our needed transportation corridors. However, these obstacles do not deter the city's commitment to completion of our region's most impactful transportation projects. The state budget continues to be of concern. More and more cost-sharing revenues to cities are under scrutiny for reduction or elimination. Legislators remind cities to use available tools and resources before asking for funding, although this is not always palatable to citizens. While costs are on the rise, we will continue to work on this balance. This is an exciting time to live, work, and explore in Richland. However, with this stability comes great responsibility to manage steady and consistent growth. The recommended budget includes a wide variety of funding sources with many restrictions and dedications that make allocating resources very complex. The budget process is always challenging as we consider difficult trade-offs between many innovative ideas, projects, and enhanced service options. I believe the end product achieves a good balance across all the keys and delivers the quality services that our community deserves and expects. It's a continuous effort to identify efficiencies, reduce costs where appropriate, and invest in our future wisely. It's a true testament that amazing things happen when we share the vision and engage in our commitment to Richland's exciting future.